Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Ibrahim Gamingwala and I am a student at Rehan School Online Academy. I am from Foundation Level Batch 2. I am 13 years old and I live in Lahore. So as you know that we are always doing a TED Talk. So today I am going to do a TED Talk on the topic of what makes an idea. What makes an idea? This is the topic and the name of the speaker of our today's TED talk. His name is Nabil Kadir. He is a show. He had participated in so many shows, and this TEDx is being conducted in TEDx Islamabad. So, without wasting any time, let's start. Okay, first of all, the first thing he said was that this country, Pakistan, it was it was a plain place and nothing was special in it, but everyone made it, uh, but some people made it a special place, and the people were ourselves that some people who worked for Pakistan were the ones who made Pakistan special, and they worked so hard, and they also worked on technologies. So that's why Pakistan was a plain place, and now it is a very special place. So this is the reason of. And after that he told us that you were thinking that who made Pakistan special was Qaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, but it was not him. It was our local people who made it special. And after that he told us that we our lives are the best thing of our lives are that our lives start and end up in sequence, that we make that sequence, and we he said that we are the ones who make the sequence going on, and we are the and also we are the ones that who broke the sequence that is going in our lives. So we have to make dreams and work on it. And this work can the work we have to do is not that easy. We have to do so many hard work, and we have to. And the next thing he told us was a word, which was a word named cipher. It was that cipher. The meaning of cipher was the ideas of our mind, thing we uh, thought in our minds, think in our minds. And the next thing he told us was that he said that his grandfather told him that you should spend your life in a way that everyone will see that you are a kind person and a good person. So everyone will have a lesson from your life, that they have to spend they have to spend their lives by uh, uh, the speaker's name was Nabil Kadir. So he said that his grandfather said that you have to spend your life in a way that everyone will see your kindness, and everyone will it will be your life will be a lesson for everyone, for their lives. So okay, the next thing was that he told us that it was a poetry of Muhammad Alam Iqbal, that when you find yourself, your journey starts then. It doesn't finish on that time. Okay, when you find yourself, we have to do on that time we have to do we have to work hard on our dreams, the dreams we have. And next thing he told us was that when you have a big dream and when you want to complete it, it can't be it can't be uh, done easily. We have to do so much hard work on it, and so many failures we have to go through so many failures. So in the first, I told you that he was a member in show. So he that thought that he will make his show over the world, and everyone will see his show, and he will become a popular person. And his dream became true because he did so much hard work on it, and he also got through so many failures. So this was our today's TED Talk. I hope you like it, and this was our today's English TED Talk, and I will do it in Urdu for you guys. So thank you, and thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe my channel, and take care, and Allah Hafiz.